welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are going to be diving down into what is known as Myro, and I'm telling you guys right now that this project definitely provides a massive opportunity, okay? So we think that this one is going to possibly blow up like crazy, but the big question is what do you think? Do you think it's going to go up? Do you think it's going to go down? Or do you think it's just a lot of hype and it's done and over with? All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and dive right into what is known as Myro. Let's get it. You guys can actually see that Myro is up a total of around 1,500%, right? 1,500% right there. You can see it. You guys can see for the market cap, this thing literally hit way up here around about 230 million, and now it's only sitting around like 50 to 60 million. Now you guys can see that this thing definitely originally blew up like crazy and just pumped and pumped and pumped, but we had a nasty sell-off. So the question is why, right? Did the devs sell, right? I don't know exactly what happened, but obviously someone definitely sold a good amount here, right? But it's still hanging in there, which is good. So market cap has stated around that 60 million. You guys can see right there, total supply right here, not bad, right? So it can definitely be diluted a little bit. I don't know exactly what the supply was. Let's actually kind of take a look here. Let's take a look at what is known as a Wayback Machine. And what we're actually going to do, you guys, is we're actually going to go ahead and pull up Myro and see if they have actually done any type of dilution, right? So let's actually take a look here. We got Wayback Machine. We're going to copy. We're going to paste that, right, the URL, and we're going to search for it, and we'll find out if they've done any type of dilution. So we have nothing here, okay? We have nothing here. So we're going to go to January 4th, which is our earliest day. We're going to do a snapshot and just see if we can compare the overall supply differences, right? Because I'm just kind of curious, okay? So you guys will see that the current supply is around this 944, okay? So let's see where it was back on January the 4th, right? This is done by what is known as a snapshot. So we're just kind of waiting here patiently, and hopefully this is going to pop up here any moment. So there you go. So you guys will see, nope, the supply was the same over a month ago. So I'm kind of curious what has actually caused this to dump, right? So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are going to see that so far we're definitely hanging in there, so which is a bad. Slowly trying to create some higher highs, but just kind of trading sideways. So take a look. You guys already know it's on Solana. We even have a lot of different exchanges. Qcoin, Bybit, Radium. Wow, I'm surprised this isn't even on Binance yet, you guys, and it's not on Qcoin, okay? I mean, not on Coinbase, excuse me. So if this actually happens to get on there, then this is going to blow up, and there's a possibility, right? Now, if we take a look here, you guys can see the overall chart. This is on TradingView. And you guys can see, as stated, this thing has blown up like crazy. So just kind of curious here, because we can actually maybe say, oh, we're trying to create some higher lows, which technically it does look like we are, like long term. You guys can kind of see that, right? So as long as we stay above this ascending support here long term, then we're technically good, right? So a lot of volume came in right around here after this massive sell-off. So it looks like someone bought up a massive amount around this area. So just kind of trading sideways, you guys. So the question is Myro, do we think it's going to continue up, right? Or do we think it's going to just trade sideways? Me personally, I think it's going to trade sideways, and we'll see exactly what happens. Hopefully we can get some announcements that we're going to be getting onto some bigger exchanges in the future. But as of right now, you guys, Myro just not really looking too promising, right? The fact that we had a massive market cap around, around 250, and now we're down at about 50 million, 60 million, that's not a good sign, right? You want things to hold and be strong, okay? So let us know exactly what you guys think. As stated, just to confirm for Wayback Machine, you guys, I mean, the supply did not change since January the 4th. And if we actually take a look here, you guys can actually see January the 4th is when this actually when it actually pumped up. So this tells us that someone was initially already holding and had a massive amount in their bags, and they must have been just selling it off, right? So there is no signs of dilution in the supply. So just kind of curious who was holding those tokens that was like, hey, let's sell everything. But anyways, let us know exactly what you guys think. Just kind of trading sideways. So don't see much hope here at the current moment. So maybe if we get onto a new exchange, then this thing will definitely blow up. But going into our next bull run, good possibility we'll get some kind of hype here. But I don't know if we're going to get the kind of hype that we had before. But who knows? we'll see exactly, we'll see what happens in the future when we talk about it on our next video. Have a beautiful day, and ciao.